When we think about the foods we eat every day, very few of us stop to ask, could what's on my plate be quietly affecting my long-term health? We usually focus on immediate taste and satisfaction. But our daily diet is a pattern of choices that has a profound impact on our bodies, influencing not just our weight, but also the risk of chronic diseases like cancer. One of the biggest health debates in recent years surrounds especially red meat and its potential link to prostate cancer. Prostate cancer is one of the most common cancers in men worldwide, and diet is increasingly being studied as a major factor influencing its risk. So, the question is, can meat really cause prostate cancer, or is this just another health myth? Let's dive into the evidence, the science, and the practical steps you can take to protect yourself. First, let's understand the basics. The prostate is a small gland, about the size of a walnut, located just below the bladder in men. Its main function is to produce fluid that nourishes and transports sperm. While small in size, the prostate plays a big role in men's health. Prostate cancer occurs when cells in the prostate grow uncontrollably, forming tumors. It is the second most common cancer in men globally, after lung cancer. According to the World Health Organization, more than 1.4 million new cases are diagnosed every year, and lifestyle factors including diet are thought to be key contributors. Now, let's talk about red meat. Red meat includes beef, lamb, pork, and goat. Processed meats, such as sausages, hot dogs, and bacon, also fall into this category. These foods are widely loved because they're rich in flavor and protein, but they've also been under scientific scrutiny for decades. Studies have shown that regular consumption of red meat, especially when cooked at high temperatures, can increase the risk of certain cancers, including colorectal cancer. But what about prostate cancer specifically? Research suggests that there is indeed a possible link. Several large-scale studies have indicated that men who consume high amounts of red and processed meats may have a greater risk of developing aggressive forms of prostate cancer. One of the main reasons lies in how the meat is cooked. When red meat is grilled, barbecued, or fried at high temperatures, it produces compounds called heterocyclic amines, HCAs, and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs. These chemicals are known carcinogens, meaning they can damage DNA in cells and trigger cancer development over time. Since the prostate is a hormone-sensitive gland, it may be especially vulnerable to these kinds of dietary toxins. Another concern is the high level of saturated fats found in many types of meat. Diets rich in saturated fats have been linked to inflammation and hormonal changes in the body. For instance, they may increase the levels of certain hormones, like testosterone, which can influence prostate cell growth. Chronic inflammation, caused by excess fat and poor dietary choices, is also believed to play a role in cancer progression. High-fat diets can also lead to obesity, which is another well-documented risk factor for more severe prostate cancer outcomes. Processed meats add another layer of risk. Bacon, ham, sausages, and deli meats are often preserved with nitrates and nitrites, chemicals that can form carcinogenic compounds inside the body. The International Agency for Research on Cancer, IARC, which is part of the World Health Organization, has classified processed meat as a Group 1 carcinogen, meaning there is strong evidence it causes cancer. Red meat, on the other hand, is classified as a Group 2A carcinogen, which means it is probably carcinogenic to humans. While the direct link to prostate cancer is still being studied, these classifications give us a strong warning. Now, it's important to remember, not all studies show the exact same results, and some scientists argue that the connection between red meat and prostate cancer is not fully proven. Genetics, lifestyle, and overall diet quality also play huge roles. For example, a man who eats steak once a week, but also consumes lots of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains may have a much lower risk than someone who eats large amounts of red meat daily and avoids plant-based foods. This is why researchers often emphasize moderation, balance, and overall dietary patterns, rather than blaming a single food in isolation. So, what's the takeaway for you? Should you stop eating meat altogether? The answer is not necessarily. What the science suggests is that high and frequent consumption of red and processed meats can raise your risk of prostate cancer, especially when combined with unhealthy cooking methods and poor overall diet. Cutting back, choosing healthier alternatives, and paying attention to how your food is cooked can significantly reduce that risk. For example, instead of grilling or frying meat until it's charred, try baking, steaming, or slow cooking. These methods produce fewer harmful chemicals. Choosing leaner cuts of meat and trimming excess fat can also make a difference. At the same time, adding more plant-based foods to your diet can provide protective benefits. Studies have consistently shown that diets rich in vegetables, fruits, legumes, and whole grains are linked to lower prostate cancer risk. Tomatoes, for example, are high in lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that may help protect prostate cells. Cruciferous vegetables like broccoli, cauliflower, and kale contain compounds that support the body's natural detoxification processes. Green tea, pomegranates, and berries are also packed with antioxidants that can fight inflammation and cellular damage. By making these foods a regular part of your diet, you create a strong defense system for your prostate health. Another point worth noting is lifestyle. Diet is just one piece of the puzzle. Regular physical activity, maintaining a healthy weight, managing stress, and avoiding smoking or excessive alcohol are all crucial in reducing prostate cancer risk. In fact, studies suggest that men who combine a healthy diet with regular exercise and weight management can cut their risk significantly. In conclusion, the science is telling us to be cautious. Meat, particularly red and processed varieties, carries risks when eaten too often or prepared in certain ways. The connection to prostate cancer is not absolute, but the evidence is strong enough to take it seriously. By making mindful choices, eating smaller portions, cooking meat more safely, and adding more protective foods to your diet too can reduce your risk and support not just prostate health, but your overall well-being. Remember, your health is shaped by what you do every day, and small changes can lead to big results over time. So the next time you sit down to enjoy a meal, think about balance. Ask yourself, is this plate protecting my health or putting it at risk? Your prostate may be small, but the choices you make can have a huge impact on its health for years to come.